That movie Groundhog Day reminds me of my husband a little bit because he could eat the same chicken dinner every day, but I need some variety, and my herb garden was overgrowing with some basil.
Delicious.
So I want to show you how to make this simple Italian marinade for grilled foods. Put it on chicken, pork, turkey, put it on veggies, anything you're really making all summer. This zesty blend will be perfect. So grab a cup of basil and 1 teaspoon garlic that's minced. Get half a lemon juice. You want to squeeze that out. I like to use the sieves so it catches the seeds. Half teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon garlic salt, 1/4 teaspoon paprika, and I like to add 1/4 teaspoon crushed red pepper to add just a little hint of heat to it. It won't overpower it, but I find even kids can eat it if you put just a little bit. That's up to you though. You just want to mix that all together with 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Use a really high quality extra virgin olive oil for this. So whisk that all together. This is a 5-minute marinade recipe. You'll see that I love to put it on chicken. Earlier in the video, I showed you that it's so good on smoked veggies. I have new recipes coming for you here at SipBiteGo, and you can always pick up my free barbecue ebook at SipBiteGo.com. When you're marinating, you just want to do at least 30 minutes to overnight for things like chicken's great, pork's great, turkey, and of course, any sort of fresh seasonal veggies that you'd like. Until next time, have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!